Hi, I am Dr. K. Sai Prasad Reddy. Welcome to the subject software testing. In today's session, we are going to discuss about why do the defects occur in the software? What are the different reasons for getting the defects in the software project? And interview questions, frequently asked questions, multiple choice questions, and ISTQB model questions. This we are going to discuss in this session. So, why do the defects occur in the software? What are the reasons for having the defects or the bugs in the software project in the company? Right? See, software is written by human beings. We all know that software will be designed and developed by human beings, that is software developers. Sometimes those who know something but not everything, they may be having skills, but those skills are not perfect, are not up to level, and sometimes they do make mistakes. So for these reasons we will be having the defects in the software. See, for example, a software developer, the software developer may know something, but he may not be a perfect or he may not be up to level. Sometimes it happens. So who knows something but not everything? Due to these reasons, there may be a bad coding, there may be a bad designs. So, and also those who have the skills, of course, the developers or the designers will be having the skills, no doubt, but those skills are not perfect. Those skills may not be matching the project. So, due to these reasons also, so there are chances to have the defects or the bugs in the software project. And sometimes just even the software developers are also human beings. Sometimes they will do some mistakes during the coding. So these mistakes are called errors. These errors will lead to have the defects in the project. These reasons these are the reasons to have the defects or the faults in the software project. And also sometimes due to this hectic schedules of the projects, due to this strict deadlines of the project delivery to the client, so sometimes we will not be having enough time to check. Under these conditions, we will assume that yes, it is working, or we will assume that it may work, or we may assume that there may not be any defects, which may be wrong. Assumptions may be always wrong. Sometimes assumptions may be correct, but in the majority cases assumptions may be wrong. So under increasing pressure to deliver to the stricter deadlines, we will have no time to check, but assumptions may be wrong. Systems may be incomplete. For these reasons, we will have the defects or the bugs in the software project. So these are all the different reasons in the projects for getting the defects. Right? So, and question and answers. Faults found by users are due to poor quality, poor software and poor testing, bad luck, insufficient time for testing. Faults means defects. Defects found by users are due to yes, poor software and poor testing. That means poor software means is nothing but that is the software which is not meeting the quality. That is a poor software. And a poor testing, that means the testing is not done properly by the testing team. Then only we will find the defects by the users, not by the testing team, by the users. So you read the question carefully. Faults found by the users are due to poor software and poor testing, right? So insufficient time for testing, it's wrong. Poor quality software, bad luck. So option B is correct one. Next, increasing the quality of the software by better development methods will affect the time needed for testing by reducing the test time, no change, increasing the test time, cannot say. See, read the question carefully. Increasing the quality of the software by better development methods will affect time needed for testing. That means if we increase the quality of the software and if we implement the good and the better development methods during the developing the project and during the design project, these will affect the time needed for testing is, so obviously reduce the test time, because if the quality is increased in the software during the designing and development itself, and during this developing the project, if the software development team implements better development methods, obviously there will be a chance of having few defects. There will be a chance of having less number of defects or less number of bugs in the project. If the project is having the less number of defects or less number of bugs, obviously it will take less time for testing services. So reducing the test time is the correct option and the rest of options are wrong. So please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and students groups, those who are looking for IT jobs in the companies, and like my videos. Thank you very much.